The third annual Spring Angel Car Show is coming. In this video we provide information for everyone involved, including sponsors, vendors, vehicle owners, and spectators. Mark your calendar for Saturday, May 2nd, 2026 from 8 a.m. to 3 p.m. The event will be held outdoors at Cherokee Park, which is located at 3075 Floyd Hall Drive in Morristown, Tennessee. We will be at the Hale Matney Pavilion, which is the first on the right. The rain date is set for Saturday, May 9th. If you were a sponsor for the January event, you are automatically a sponsor for this event. We thank you for your continued support. We will have a limited number of vendor spaces available, and it is not too late to rent one. Interested vendors can register and pay online using this quick response code. Vehicle owners are encouraged to register early. Dash plaques will be given to the first 75 registered. You can pay online using this quick response code. Vehicle setup will be that morning from 8 to 10 a.m. Vehicles will be judged using a People's Choice process. Anyone registering a car or making a donation at the gate will receive a ballot. Those winners will select the best in show. Trophies will be presented at 2:30 p.m. Please plan to come and experience the third annual Lakeway Area Spring Angel Car Show. Saturday will be a good day of fun for the entire family. Your donation is your entry fee. Food trucks will be on site. And don't forget to stop by our Saturday night cruise-in immediately after this show for more fun. Regardless of how you participate, all proceeds from this event will go to help our local charities. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. We hope to see you at the third annual Lakeway Area Spring Angel Car Show.